Cats have long been known for their affinity for cozy spaces, soft textures, and comfortable spots to curl up in, and one of their favorites is often wool or soft blankets. If you've ever seen your cat kneading on a soft blanket, purring contentedly as they snuggle into a pile of wool, you might have wondered why these particular materials seem to captivate your feline companions so much. To understand this behavior, it's essential to look at a cat's sensory preferences, evolutionary background, and psychological needs, as well as the comfort that these textures provide. One of the most fundamental reasons cats love wool and soft blankets is due to the tactile sensations these materials offer. Cats are highly sensitive to touch, and their sense of feel is remarkably acute. They use their whiskers, paws, and even their fur to navigate their environment, gathering detailed information about textures, temperatures, and surfaces. Wool and soft fabrics provide a sensory experience that satisfies their need for warmth and comfort. The plushness of a wool blanket mimics the softness of fur, making it an ideal material for a cat's tactile exploration. The sensation of soft materials like wool against their bodies is not only pleasing but also comforting. Cats are often drawn to cozy, insulated areas where they can feel secure and protected. Soft blankets and wool fabrics provide a sense of warmth, and the act of curling up in them can trigger feelings of safety. This is reminiscent of their natural instincts to seek out warm, sheltered spaces for rest, where they can stay hidden from predators or other threats. Wool, in particular, is also known for its ability to retain heat, which can help keep cats warm in cooler environments, further adding to its appeal. The act of kneading soft materials, a behavior many cats engage in when they are on wool or blankets, is another significant reason why cats are drawn to these textures. Kneading is a natural behavior that cats often display when they are content or feeling secure. This action, which involves pressing their paws alternately against a soft surface, is a leftover instinct from kittenhood. Kittens need their mothers' bellies to stimulate milk production, and as they grow, this comforting behavior often persists into adulthood. When adult cats knead on soft blankets or wool, they are recreating this sense of comfort and security they felt as kittens. It's a way for them to self-soothe, and in some cases, it can even be an expression of affection toward their owners, as cats may knead on their human's lap or bed. Another factor that contributes to a cat's love for wool and soft blankets is the association these materials have with comfort and relaxation. Cats spend a significant portion of their day resting or sleeping, on average, anywhere from 12 to 16 hours, so having a comfortable, cozy environment is crucial for their well-being. Soft, warm blankets offer the ideal setting for sleep, which is why cats often seek out these materials. They associate them with the best possible resting places. This desire for comfort goes hand in hand with their need for security and a sense of routine. Cats prefer predictable environments, and soft blankets in familiar spots provide them with a sense of stability and relaxation. The love of wool and soft blankets also has a sensory and psychological aspect. The texture of wool, for instance, provides a unique feeling under the paws and claws. Cats are known to have a strong urge to scratch and dig into surfaces. Wool provides a surface that satisfies this instinctual need to scratch without being too harsh. When cats knead or dig into soft fabrics, they are not only seeking comfort but also engaging in a type of exploratory behavior. The softness under their paws feels good, and the tactile feedback they receive is satisfying in much the same way that scratching a post or playing with a toy would be. These fabrics allow them to express their natural instincts in a safe and non-destructive way. Additionally, the scent of wool and blankets can play a role in why cats gravitate toward them. Like many animals, cats are very sensitive to smells and can associate certain scents with security or affection. Wool, being a natural material, can retain scents more readily than synthetic fabrics. Cats may be attracted to blankets that have a familiar scent, such as their owner's scent, because it provides reassurance and a deeper sense of comfort. This is particularly true if the blanket is frequently used by the cat's human companion, as the smell of their owner's body can make the blanket feel like a more intimate and secure place to rest. For many cats, wool and soft blankets also represent territory. Cats are territorial animals by nature and often mark their spaces with scent glands located in their face, paws, and even on their backs. When a cat rubs its face or paws against a blanket, it is marking that object as part of its domain. This action is comforting and provides a sense of ownership, which can be especially important for cats that are more cautious or shy. By claiming a wool blanket or soft fabric as their own, cats can feel more confident in their environment, reducing any feelings of anxiety or stress. Cats' fondness for soft blankets and wool can also be seen as part of their grooming behavior. Cats are meticulous groomers, spending a large part of their day cleaning themselves. When they lie on wool or soft fabrics, it may mimic the sensation of being groomed or cleaned, which is inherently comforting. For some cats, the texture of these materials offers a type of passive grooming experience, in which the fabric provides the soothing pressure and motion similar to the gentle sensation of being licked by another cat. This can be especially beneficial for cats who may have been separated from their mothers or littermates at a young age, as it helps them feel more secure and connected. It is also worth considering that some cats may have a specific fondness for wool or soft blankets due to the behavior of their human companions. Cats often mirror the actions and preferences of their owners. If a cat sees its owner regularly lounging with a soft blanket, curling up on a woolen throw, or enjoying a cozy moment, the cat may be drawn to this behavior as well. It can become a learned response where the cat associates the presence of a soft blanket or wool fabric with its human's warmth, attention, and companionship. The scent of their owner, combined with the act of resting together, creates a strong bond between cat and blanket. The love that cats have for wool and soft blankets is a multifaceted behavior rooted in their natural instincts, sensory preferences, and psychological needs. Whether they are kneading, curling up for a nap, or simply enjoying the tactile sensations, these materials provide cats with comfort, security, and a sense of belonging. By understanding why cats are so attracted to these fabrics, we can create a more comfortable and fulfilling environment for them, one that honors their need for relaxation, warmth, and safe spaces. Whether it's the softness, the warmth, or the soothing textures, wool and soft blankets offer cats a cozy retreat where they can feel both physically and emotionally content.